Tonight, new issues in the search for a city manager for the city of Fort Pierce. Tonight, a short list of applicants was supposed to be submitted to the commission. However, thanks to some technical hiccups, there was a delay in that process. On Thursday night,
we need somebody in this seat sooner than later. And the longer we take to do that, the longer this wound continues to stay open.
as the process to find Nick Mimms' replacement limps along,
The entire process is a joke and yet again another embarrassment to the city.
a hiccup with the city's job application software misplaced 11 of the 75 total applications, one of which is former St. Lucie County Commissioner Chris Zadowski.
I noticed that my application was absent from all three categories. Went through all the documentation and I wasn't even in any of it.
Zadowski says he's not angry, just happy that going forward, he and other qualified applicants will be fully considered for what commissioners call the most important job in the city, left vacant in the wake of Nick Mimms' scandal, which forced him from office.
I think that they managed it very well. I think that the commissioners asked very poignant questions. I think that the HR folks were under a lot of pressure with that many applications. And I think that the public has a significant interest in this. They've opened the door on the opportunity for those who didn't get in the system originally. I think it's a fair process.
The decision that was made tonight is that this coming Tuesday, there will be a meeting to decide the date when that short list of applicants will be presented to the commission. Reporting in Fort Pierce, I'm Michael Hoffman. Back to you.